सभी को स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से। और आप लोगों के साथ बात करेंगे एक लेटेस्ट अपडेट के जो ETM मार्केट PMC टॉक REITs and InvITs poised for multi-decade and structural growth in India, says alleged Rahul Jain. Rahul Jain from ELT highlight the rise of the REITs and invest mainstream assist for Indian. Each an alleged and boasting a near 4 trillion market cap. This listed real estate over a blend of stable income, liquidity, and diversification, and poised for the significant growth due to regulatory reforms and increasing retail participation, and inflection point has been reached, mirroring global trends. In the latest edition of the ETM's Market PMS Talk, Rahul Jain, head listed product at ELT, highlight how REITs, Real Estate Investment Trust, and Infrastructure Investment Trusts have repeatedly enveloped from niche instrument to a mainstream asset class for Indian HNIs, with a combined market capitalization of nearly 4 trillion and expanding investor participation, and this listed real estate are emerging as a unique blend of stable income, liquidity, and diversification. Jen believes the category is at the inflection points and is the poised for the multi-decade structural growth, mirroring global trajectory as regulatory reforms, PMS framework, and raising retail participation unlock new opportunity. Edited expert. REITs, Real Estate Investment Trust, and the Infrastructure Investment Trust have moved from niche the instrument to the mainstream investment within the last 6 years of launch. They now combine a combined market capitalization of almost 4 trillion across listed REITs and invest, with some of the REITs having market capitalization equivalent to mid-cap stock. Importantly, the democratic ownership of institutional grade commercial real estate and the infrastructure assets that was earlier accessibility only and developer, PE fund, or sovereign investor. For its NIS, they provide scaled exposure easy participation in an IT-packed national highway system, transmission lines, something not possible through direct investment. This combination of stable income streams, lower volatility, and institutional grade government under CB has made them a distance allocation class and HNI portfolio stock recommendation.